Hi, I'm Hillary Shine with Good News, Killeen. Fill the long days of summer with fun. Here's what should be on your schedule. July is Parks and Rec Month, and Killeen's Recreation Department has fun planned all month long. Events and activities at many of our parks will fill your schedule. The Family Aquatics Center at Lions Club Park is finally open. We had a delayed start this year because of a lifeguard shortage, but our crew is now trained and ready to welcome you. The water park is open every Friday from 11 a.m. to 5 p.m., Saturday 10 a.m. to 6:30 p.m., and Sunday 1 to 6:30 p.m. It's closed Monday through Thursday. Daily admission is $6 for kids ages 4 to 16, $7 for adults, and $5 for senior citizens age 55 plus. Long Branch Pool has adjusted hours. It's now open Tuesday through Thursday from 11 a.m. to 6 p.m. It's closed Friday through Monday. Admission is $2 for kids 4 to 16 and seniors 55 plus, and $3 for adults. The spray pad at Long Branch Park is open every day from 8:30 a.m. to 8 p.m. and it's free. We've got a couple of water events headed your way too. First up is an adaptive swim party, July 16th at the Family Aquatics Center from 6:30 to 8:30 p.m. We invite our most special swimmers to a night of swim time, yard games, and giveaways meant for those with special or adaptive needs. The cost is $3 for adults, $2 for kids, and free for one caregiver per family. Later in the month at Long Branch Pool, come join us for Splash Into Summer Pool Party, July 30th from 6:30 to 8:30 p.m. Swimming and fun for the whole family is just $2 for kids and $3 for adults. July's Mobile Rec Series event is a football combine July 24th from 10 a.m. to noon at Lions Club Park. Kids ages 6 to 17 are invited to run drills and practice skills, and then chart their stats. It's completely free and no registration is required. Movies in Your Park invites you to the amphitheater at the Community Center Friday, July 23rd. The big show under the stars is Raya and the Last Dragon. This Disney animated adventure follows Kumandra warrior Raya on her quest to find the last dragon and save their land and people. The showing starts at dusk and is free and fun for all ages. Bring a blanket or a chair and your own refreshments, just no glass containers or alcohol. And if you're looking to get out and do your own thing, we've got hike and bike trails, disc golf, skate parks, outdoor and indoor fitness equipment, playgrounds, and green space we hope you'll enjoy this month. Learn more about all of our parks at KilleenTexas.gov/parks. Find more summer programs at KilleenTexas.gov, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, and Spectrum Cable Channel 10. Well, that's a wrap for me. I'm retiring at the end of the month. Thanks for tuning in over the last 6 seasons and being part of the positivity. It's been my pleasure bringing you Good News, Killeen, and I know there will be plenty more in the future.